Okay, I just wanted to do a little review on my Carbon Evolve GT. I put about 800 miles on this. I just kind of wanted to go over what I do to keep it running at its optimal ability, and how I clean it and take care of it each day, and just show you the overall condition after 800 miles. Because I don't see very long-term reviews on this board when I go on YouTube, so I just kind of wanted to do a kind of a long-term, my perspective. I've owned about 4 electric skateboards. This is my 4th one, so I kind of have an idea of what's out there, and I have friends that ride, so I've experienced their boards and their problems also. For anyone new into electric skateboarding, I would advise going to like the eSkate forum and kind of educate yourself and learn how to maintain and maintenance these, or maybe even build your own board if that's what you choose. But as you can see, I kind of just wipe this down each day that I ride, and I ride every day about 10 miles. So sometimes I have to loosen and tighten these trucks. I always, once a week, I take apart my bearings. I clean and oil them. That's very important to keep your wheels just free flowing, just moving very smoothly. Belts and pulleys, it's very important to check how tight these are, to clean these. Rocks get in here and stuff. Your motor will start making weird sounds. If it's making weird sounds, you probably got some rocks or something in there that needs to be cleaned. So try that first. A lot of times that's what the problem is. And like I said, make sure you're cleaning your bearings. But as you can see, this board is in great condition, and I don't ride on dirt roads and stuff just personally because I don't want to chip this carbon fiber. That's just my personal preference. But my other all-terrain electric skateboard I rode that on a lot of dirt roads and stuff, but it was a E-Glide. It was built like a tank. It was a aluminum board. It was full aluminum, so it was an awesome board. But I mean, it was just heavy. It was like 75 pounds. But that board still works after 4 years. After 3 years, I had to replace the batteries, but they're only like $140 because they're seal lead acid. And that's where it gets its weight. That's why it's 75 pounds. But this, I mean, this is a great, well-designed looking skateboard. And its versatility is its biggest attribute. I mean, it can have the street wheels or the all-terrain setup. And if you're interested in something like that, then this is the board I would advise you getting. Most of the stuff is quality. You can tell some of the things, like these motors aren't the highest quality motors, but they work. And the other thing about Evolve, if anything happens to this board, if a part breaks, I guarantee you they have a video on how to replace that part. They make it really simple. Like I said, this board is an overpriced board in my opinion by about $500. It should be around $1,500, but it's around $2,000. So it's an expensive electric skateboard, but it's, in my opinion, it's worth it. If you take care of it and maintenance your electric skateboard, it's going to give you the best, reliability. If you don't, if you've never ridden a skateboard, if you get like water and stuff in your bearings and you're not cleaning those bearings out, it's going to start running rough, and it's just going to cause a bunch of problems. So make sure you take care of your skateboards. You maintenance them. I have some dirt here. They're doing some construction in the front road here, so everything's tore up. But other than that, the board's pretty clean. I'll kind of show you the stuff I use. So I just got a few things. I use this butter reel. It's really easy. It's on Amazon. I got some lithium grease here, some WD-40, silicone. I use this to seal the board to make it more waterproof. And then I got my tools here, and this is the street setup is in here. And then I got the fast charger. That's my backpack that I use when I'm riding. There's other skateboards out there where you can change the batteries and stuff like that. This isn't one of them skateboards that you need to change the battery. With the street wheel setup in eco mode, you could get 30-mile range. That's a long wait time to ride. So, I mean, this is one of the best skateboards out there, from my opinion. Like I said, some of the parts, they could be better, but this overall, this board is very well made. It's well designed, which is one of the biggest things. I mean, it catches the eye, and its versatility is great. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Take care.